Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The market closes 3 hours early today, so I thought I'd send this a little early myself, keep it short and simple. Usually days like today, the volume's pretty low. It's hard to tell, what's happening for sure. It was an interesting day in that the leadership came from real estate, utilities, and large tech companies. We have Microsoft and Apple, for example, which, beat the market today. The S&P 500 was up 0.35%, but the vast majority of our other pieces didn't do as well as the S&P 500, which is exactly the opposite of what we've been seeing for the last several weeks. Matter of fact, Monday, Tuesday were some of the biggest overperformance days I've seen in my career. Not too surprising to see it slow down here, especially in this strange day. But this is an important component of trying to understand this portfolio development, especially this year. So, for example, right when everything fell apart, the only two things, back in February, March, the only two things that were working were large tech companies and advanced healthcare. And so we bought those. And then eventually we started seeing leaks. Basically, the money comes into the market and it's not really inflating your portfolio. It's going off to something you don't have. So you look around, you say, oh, it's going to innovative technology. So we added that to the portfolio. And then eventually we saw a leak again. It was going off to clean energy. We put that in the portfolio. And then finally this fall, we saw some pretty good leaks going off to value. So we have that in the portfolio. So now we got to watch real estate. We got to watch, utilities. International hasn't had a run for a long time, so it's possible. So, but that's the idea. We have all of these things in our broad market indexes, but in terms of adding them to our targeted indexes, we'll have to wait and see how this goes. Got to be careful to draw a lot of conclusions off of a day like today and yesterday, where the volume's down and the holidays are here. Might have some of that same problems, kind of really figuring out what's going on with the market until next year, as far as that goes. We do have some crazy things happening next year with the Georgia runoff election too that could have some impact on the stock market. So altogether, fantastic time frame for us. December has been unbelievable. November was equally great as far as that goes. So very, very pleased with everything. Want to thank everybody for watching, and everybody have a great holidays, and we will see you on Monday. Thank you very much.